Hello and welcome to English 127 Creative Writing in the Spring 2021 semester. So who am I? I am Nuala Nunu Mary Linka, and I am your friendly teacher guide. Now, I have two purposes in this video, and if we've been in a class together before, you know what I'm about to say, so fast forward. Purpose number one is to explain my philosophy as a teacher, why I use friendly teacher guide, and it's simply this: I believe in any good classroom, you as a student and I as a teacher, we're frequently transposing roles, and particularly in creative writing. I'm going to learn a lot from you, and you're going to learn a lot from me. We're going to guide each other in our learning. And this is super important because without you, this class will not be successful. I need your active participation. I need your guidance. Okay. Now, my second purpose for making this video is simply a quick orientation to our classroom. We are here in home. And what is home? Home for us is a bulletin board to our classroom. On it, I put nifty artwork that I find on the internet. I list practical course information, including my Zoom office hours from 1 to 2 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays and by appointment. And you'll need this information to access the office hours, as I also have other classes and other students visiting during these office hours. So definitely, if you want a one-on-one appointment, that's possible. Let me know. The office hours can be very crowded sometimes. Lots of people are in them, or I'm all by myself hoping somebody will drop in. So please drop in. Okay, now below my office hours, I have my to-do list in modules for the week for February 8th through the 14th, 2021. Modules is our class Bible. It contains all of our assignments in weekly to-do list order from week 1 all the way down to week 16 to finals week. But I like to create this handy little to-do list here because this to-do list on this side of the screen can seem overwhelming, and I'm a big believer in chunking work, doing it piece by piece. So this is a nifty link to modules. So let's click on this link, and it will take us in to our work for the week. Week 1 is right here. It's right in front of you. And as you scroll down, you can see that it's all here, weeks 1 through week 16, all the way through finals week. If you want to skip ahead and see what we're doing, definitely do that. If you want to read ahead, I highly recommend it. Okay. After modules, in this left menu here, giving you an orientation to the classroom, we have our syllabus. And because I am a big believer in simpler is better and chunking, I feed it to you in bite-sized pieces and chunks. And I wanted to tell you, if you have a learning disability or you learn in a special, unique, beautiful way, you're autistic, definitely click on number 12 here and read about your DSPNS and ADA rights. And please become a legal client of DSPNS. And why do I say legal client? When you become a client of DSPNS, it gives me the legal right as a teacher to give you extended time on an assignment. Okay, so that's important. Now, after syllabus, we have grades, and that's where I record your grades, and it's usually just your number grade. Most of my feedback for you will be in the public discussion forum, where we evaluate each other's thoughts about respected literary works, and also original literary works, the works that you're going to produce. Now, after grades is Zoom. That's pretty self-evident. And then Canvas tutorials. You can come here if anything is not clear to you in the classroom, and you can also come to me. And if I can't figure it out, we'll run over to the experts in distance learning. Last, we have Office 365, which has all these nifty apps like Word and PowerPoint for free, which I like, I have to tell you. So these are our tabs. This is our orientation to our classroom, to English 127 Creative Writing during the Spring 2021 semester. I am Nunu, your friendly teacher guide. Let's have a great semester learning from each other, and let's get started.